Is that where this came from?
Sir, I'm about to pass out.
At 7:31 a.m., the police came across a suspicious car and decided to check it out after receiving a signal.
Hey man, Deputy Houghton, I got you at 56 and a 35 when it dropped down there.
Where did it drop down at?
Where they're doing construction down there.
I didn't see it.
Okay. You got your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir, I do. I have time to find my wallet.
You got registration and insurance?
Yes, sir. You just came back to my aunt's house in Pensacola.
Here's your...
Well, I got a PDF of it.
That's not it.
So it's insured. I promise you're gonna run it. It's gonna run good. So
Okay. I need a valid card.
Can you pull it up? Can you pull it up online?
As long as it comes back to this truck.
Okay.
Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
I don't know.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm gonna put the window down.
Can you roll your window down and give that deputy your information?
So I can't stand the ticket. It's gonna kill
Well,
my license. So I can't catch a break.
We'll see.
What's that? Can you please leave the put the window down all the way?
I don't need to roll.
All right, step out of the car.
Come on. Here, I'll roll it down all the way. I'm
Nope,
sorry.
I'm telling you, step out of the car.
Sir, I don't... Please.
Ma'am, step out of the car. I'm not going to tell you again.
Go ahead and hop out, ma'am.
Sorry, I didn't do that.
Step back here for him.
Oh, well, no, I might have.
Don't reach for it. You good?
I don't have any on that.
Okay.
So I ain't got no. So.
Okay. Is there any...
23 hour work, so.
Okay, is there a car?
No, no.
Why do I...
Where we just came from, we were smoking pot, so.
Okay.
That was way earlier.
Alright, man. Just hang back there by my push bumper, alright?
And come on back here.
That's a good man.
Where are you coming from?
So we're coming from Pensacola, so we're coming to that dude that he sent. I do tattoos, so.
Oh, okay.
And then he had a little zipper pouch.
What were you saying? What'd you say? What were you saying?
I just said, my mom's asked me if I'm going to jail, and if I know, I'm not going to jail.
I thought you said you were going to jail. I was like, why would you go to jail? Yeah, here we go. It's all in here. Turn around.
Oh my god.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, I can... Oh god, so am I. They're arresting me too. They're arresting me too.
Chief 21.
Hey man, I'm gonna go ahead and read you your rights real quick. Okay? Just so we can talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer or want to be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You're going to sign any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand? You see these rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay, will your rights of mine you wish to speak with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This right here, alright, obviously, it's your truck. Alright.
It's not
Huh?
mine. It's not mine.
That's not yours? Okay. Alright. So those down right with it, it's not going to have your DNA in them? What?
Well, yes, sir.
Okay, but this right beside, not yours.
So I was just doing it for somebody else.
So you went and picked it up. How much did this cost?
It didn't cost me nothing. I didn't pick it up. It's not mine.
How much does it weigh?
It's supposed to be like 4.5 ounces.
Okay.
I'm
Where you
coming
come
from Coventry.
Huh?
Coventry.
Coventry? Okay. Is that where this came from?
Sir, I'm about to pass out.
Why are you passing out? Why are you passing out? Huh?
Oh God. Oh God.
He swallow anything?
Look at him, weird.
128. Can we have any in there?
I got you.
Have a seat.
43.
Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit on the ground. Sit on your butt. Move your feet. Cross your legs now. Cross them. Indian style.
Do you swallow anything? No. No.
It's dehydrated, sir. I need some water.
I ain't got any water.
I think I have.
I'm seeing what kind of shirt. If that was blood or if that was
Probably pizza.
pizza.
You just got one. The rest of it's in the back of the truck. Should be in the back of the truck.
Does she have any warrants or anything?
I don't think. I think she came back negative. Let me double check. What's your last name again? 221.
I didn't think I did.
Received, but she's coming back to the system.
Hey man, did you address anything?
No, I thought you were something else. I'm so mad.
Need some water?
So fucking mad.
Hey,
What,
can you grab a bottle of water out of
What? You have a Florida driver's license?
No,
What do you have?
that one.
Alabama?
Yeah. It's not. I don't have a valid. I'm not driving right now.
221.
Is it heroin? Which one's fentanyl?
Blue fentanyl on the white side.
It's monitoring.
You said the blue's fentanyl, the white's heroin?
Where's she supposed to be at it?
Alabama, but this dispatcher's terrible, so it's taking her a minute.
I'll run it.
Do you have anything in the car that has your name on it? You have nothing in the car that has your name
I
on
don't
it?
think so. I can. Well, where am I actually? Am I
Like a credit card or anything?
You can let me look.
Well, I'm going to tell you can tell me where it is.
I think actually, if you go in my
Listen, what's your name?
and I gave it to you guys already. But
What's your
yes,
middle name? You have warrants or something?
I shouldn't. No,
You shouldn't. Usually
No,
that means you have
God, no, I shouldn't. Oh my God, I hope
Why
not.
do you say you shouldn't?
Don't
I
say
know,
that.
I know I don't have
Dustin.
any warrants.
This is a bad night.
Okay.
This is a bad night. This is turning out to be a really bad night.
I want to go check
it
her
wouldn't-
person.
Yeah, you can search. I'll search the driver's side. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used. You understand these rights as I've explained to you? Okay, with your rights in mind, you wish to speak with us?
I don't know what you want me to say.
Okay, do you wish to speak with us? Yes or no?
About what?
About what we just found in the vehicle.
I was dropped off to get pizza at Papa John's.
Okay.
Okay.
Where were you dropped off?
To get at Papa John's.
Okay,
get
but what
pizza.
Papa John's?
Somewhere in Pensacola. I don't know the area very well.
Okay.
And I
What was
ordered
your?
pizza
Why did you get dropped off then?
because he wanted me to get pizza.
He couldn't just wait there with you. Like, where did he go?
No, he went. I don't know. He went around the corner. I don't know where. I don't know. I've never been there before. I don't know.
Okay.
I have no idea. I didn't. You don't always. I didn't. Some people you don't ask
How long
questions
have you
to.
been with Brad?
For just a couple, about 2 months.
Are you aware?
I've
Are you aware that he's a drug dealer?
I've heard.
You don't have to hear about it.
I've heard.
I've heard about it, and I've never met him.
Look,
Well, I have met him. Okay. What do you say when y'all are getting pulled over?
nothing. He didn't say anything. He said, I don't know. Oh, geez, I don't know what I. And he pulled into the middle, and then you guys said to pull in the parking lot, and I said, they said to pull in the parking lot.
You need a blanket?
No, I only got one shirt.
You got a jacket?
No, there's a little blanket or a jacket. I use this in the back, so.
There's a blanket in the back of the car, back of the truck.
What's up, man?
That big thick one in the back.
I'm gonna drape it over your shoulders.
Can I ask you a question?
What you got,
Hey,
man?
man, listen, man. Pull my truck.
What?
Pull my truck around back. The rest of people see my truck. And I tell you something, there ain't nobody in this county that couldn't do it. Nobody at my school job.
Well, you're the person in the county I've been worried about.
That'll work.
No, I don't want to sit in the back of the car.
Stand you up real quick.
If you don't want to go, if you want to free.
I don't want to, yeah, that's bad.
Just go ahead and put her in the back of the car.
Okay, come on.
So I can get comfortable.
Raise your cuffs back.